How to Restore Missing Chat History on Facebook Messenger 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore missing chat history on Facebook Messenger step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone and log into your account. Method 1. Check Archived Chats. Tap on your profile icon. Now, go to Archived Chats. Sometimes conversations are not deleted, they're just archived. If you find your chat, tap on it and send a message to bring it back to your main inbox. Method 2. Search the chat. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type the name of the person. If the chat still exists, it will appear here. Method 3. Check message requests. Go back and open message requests. Sometimes messages from unknown users are stored here instead of your main inbox. Method 4. Download your Facebook data. Open Facebook app, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap on Accounts Center, Your Information, Download your information. Select Messages and request your data. Once ready, download the file. Your old chats may be inside. Important truth: if a chat is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered from Messenger. Bonus tip: always archive chats instead of deleting them if you might need them later. And that's it. Now you know how to restore or find missing chats on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.